Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to make your Pinterest account private. So this video and method is actually very easy. So just listen to me because I will guide you on every step that it takes in order to do this. So the first thing you need to make sure is make sure that you have installed Pinterest on your iPhone or your Android device. So if you have Android, just head over to your Play Store and search for Pinterest. But if you have iOS device, then head over to your App Store, search for Pinterest, and download it. So since I've already downloaded mine, then we can head over to our tutorial and I will teach you right now. So let's click on Pinterest right here. And as you can see, I am on my feed. What I need to do is to just click on this person icon on the bottom right here. And once I've done that, I can see that I have redirected to my profile. So just click on saved right here, and as you scroll down you will see all the pins or boards that you have. So as you can see right now, there's actually no icon that's indicating a padlock. So if there's a padlock icon, then that just means that it's private, but if you don't see that, then that just means that it's public. So since all of my boards right now are public, then I need to make some of them private. So I will just click on a specific board. Then after that, I just need to click this three dots up here, click on this edit board right here, and then you can see under this visibility right here is this keep this board secret. So if you don't want others to see this board, keep it secret. So this will basically make this a secret or private. So let's click this toggle button right here. As you can see, it has been turned on, and then click on done right here. And as you can see right now that this is a secret board and this is the padlock icon. When we head over again to our profile, as you can see, there's also a padlock icon on this specific page. So that's the whole process. Hopefully this video helped you to make your Pinterest account private. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.